Surrender your belief in scarcity. The universe is asking you to open to the infinite nature of abundance. In this way, you can remove blocks in your life and succeed beyond your wildest dream. यानी कि this lady looks like she was offered a huge amount of money to do something, to do this thing, to meet Sushant importantly on that day. And of course for the entire thing तो उसको पैसा मिला ही होगा. But that day these two people called her in a hurry burry to meet Sushant, and she accepted this accepted to do this to remove blocks from her life and succeed beyond her wildest dream. Huge amount of money she has been given to do this. So finally she decided and met him to give him some kind of a message. कुछ तरह का मैसेज देने के लिए वो सुशांत से मिली है, बट उसको काफ़ी पैसे मिले हैं इस काम के लिए, और ये कुछ तो एक केओस हुआ है उसके बाद वो मिली है उससे. और ये दोनों लोग हैं उनको आइडिया दिया है, जिन्होंने बोला है कि तुम जाके उससे मिलो, क्योंकि इन्होंने कुछ डिसाइड कर लिया था सुशांत के सोल के लिए. It's a very hush-hush plan that she met him on that day. It was not really planned, but they had to do this. Let's check up on intention of this meeting. What was the intention of this lady meeting Sushant on that day? My God, this guy has also come. एक रिलीजियस एंगल फिर से आ गया है, सुशांत भी आ गए हैं, सारा एजेंडा भी आ गया है. तो इफ यू सी what was the intention of this lady meeting Sushant on that day, तो ये thinking man आ गया है. तो definitely along with these two people जो आप King of Cups देख रहे हो और Emperor देख रहे हो, ये thinking man भी आ गया है. So this was a part of a big apple pie. The whole scene is becoming clear. It was to set things right, so that everything falls in place. They had to take that decision that day so that everything falls in its place. ओके और ये सुशांत को फिक्स करना है, ये तो डेफिनेटली सुशांत भी आ गए हैं. और ये क्या है, टू विन अ बैटल, यू नो, दे हैड टू विन समथिंग, दे हैड टू फिक्स सुशांत टू विन समथिंग सो दैट एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इन प्लेस. और एक रिलीजियस एंगल भी डेफिनेटली आ गया है यहाँ पे. तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों को दिमाग में रख के वहाँ पे उस दिन वो सुशांत से लगता है मिलने के लिए गई थी. काफ़ी लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं इस मीटिंग के पीछे. ये जो मीटिंग हो रही है इसके पीछे काफ़ी लोग इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. ऑल द पावरफुल people are behind this to get them to meet that day with a planning, with a vicious planning to set so that everything falls in place to fix our Knight of Wands, guys. A very loud, clear message. I think this lady has been given a lot of money to do this, and she met Sushant to give him some kind of information. इसीलिए सुशांत उससे मिले हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है. Some kind of message she said that she has to deliver him. तभी वो दोनों मिले हैं उस दिन. So that is the guidance, guys. Do let me know what you feel about the reading. If you like the guidance, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the tribe, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye for now.